Welcome to KEX, Construction Engineering. Today, we will be teaching how to build a simple and affordable house. Before we move to site, let's look at the house plan once again. Pay attention to the drawing so you will understand every stage of the construction process as we proceed. Now, let's move to site. This is exactly what we are going to build and learn in this video, so let's proceed. Yes, we constructed the foundation of this building in our previous video, but in that video, we did not install DPM. We will do that now as we commence the construction of the main building. If you have not watched this foundation video, see it up here. I will also drop it at the end of this video. Now, let's proceed from this stage. Filling and compaction. Installation of DPM. Placing of concrete cover. Installation of BRC mesh. Ready for casting. Casting of 150 mm slab. Allow for proper curing. Setting out for block wall laying. Marking of door opening. Forming of block walls. Ensure they align properly with wall lines. Square all corners properly. Ensure the door openings are correctly marked. Block wall forming completed. Now that we have formed all the block walls successfully, let's reconfirm it with the drawing to avoid rework and delay. At this stage, we can now remove the grid lines and start laying a block wall to window level. Plumb the walls properly. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Now, we will start to mark out window opening. Let's look at the drawing so that we can mark them out accurately. Living room window 1.8 by 1.2 meters. Bedroom window 1.2 by 1.2 meters. Kitchen window 1.2 by 1.2 meters. Formwork for columns. Pouring of column. Formwork removal. In this project, I will be using precast lintel beam to save cost and time. Alright, let's prepare the precast beam. Formwork for 120 mm depth precast lintel beam. Precast lintel beam. Depth equals 120 mm. Bar size equals Y12. Casting of the precast lintel beam. Remove the formwork and allow it to cure for minimum of 3 to 7 days before installation. Now, let's go and install them. Ensure you place a rich cement mortar and plumb it before placing the precast beam on top. Use the same procedure to install the rest beams. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Now, you can see how fast and beautiful it is when you use precast lintel. It also very economical compared to the usual lintel beam. In some of your projects, try and use precast lintel beam. It will save you cost and time. Laying of block walls to the final level. formwork, and casting of the remaining columns. Formwork removal. Filling of the top block holes. Now, we have completed masonry work. Let's inspect what we have done so far before we move on. This video is becoming too long. I will not show detailed construction of the roof to save time. I will do a separate video on that so you can get the best explanation. If you want me to do a detailed video on roofing, let me know in comments section so I can work on it. Thanks. Let's get inside and check what we have done so far so we can start door and window installation as well as electrical and mechanical works. Installation of entrance door. Bedroom door. Toilet door. Kitchen door. Ready for window installation. Filling of block holes. Installation of windows. While electrical and mechanical works are ongoing, let's check around and appreciate what we have done so far before we render and paint. Ensure you engage the right professional for your electrical and mechanical works, so that you will not waste money on unnecessary maintenance or rework. Rendering. Painting. Good! We have successfully completed the construction of this simple and affordable house. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Don't forget to watch the full foundation video that is displayed up here for better understanding. Thanks for watching.